Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Google Chromecast remote. And this is very easy to do. What you want to do is flip over the remote and then take out the battery. Just like this. Now if you are having any kind of issues with any of the buttons, I would say go up and down the remote and just press every button. And then hold down the power button right here for about 15 seconds. Just to dissipate any remaining charge or power in the remote. Then make sure there's no buttons that are accidentally pressed down or anything like that, causing it to be slow or unresponsive. Now hold down the home button and keep holding this down and reinsert the batteries just like this. Now when you put in the batteries, make sure you're holding down the home button still, and the white light should still be solid down here, and continue to hold this down until this light right here starts to pulse. I'm going to go ahead and let go of the home button. Now, my remote should be reset. So let's go on over to my Google Chromecast now. And now your remote should be reconnected here. If it's not, there is a small button on your Google Chromecast. You can hold it down. If you go to the back of the TV and hold down this button, it will say searching for accessories. Just press the back button and the home button at the same time until you see the pulsing light on the remote. Then you can go ahead and let go, but it should connect once you go ahead and do this. Then you should be good to go. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.